For quality assurance, print a test print on regular paper to check the print quality before printing your final artwork. Use the sublimation paper to transfer the printed artwork onto your chosen item, e.g., t-shirts, mugs, or hats using a heat press or similar equipment. Place the sublimation paper into the printer's paper tray, ensuring the printing side faces down. Print your design. The printer will automatically produce a mirror image version of your artwork for accurate sublimation transfers. Preheat the white apparel before the heat transfer to eliminate any moisture in the fabric. Next, position the sublimation paper with the artwork face down on the apparel. Place silicone paper or normal white copy paper over the artwork and fabric. Set the heater to between 160 to 180 degrees Celsius and 20 seconds. Remove the heat element, silicone paper and the sublimation paper. Your masterpiece is ready.